How to redeem a code on Steam. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up these simple steps. So for that, you can open up the Steam application or even use the web version on your desktop. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface on your screen. Now, in order to redeem a code on Steam, what you can do is you can locate up the wallet option from your Steam. So just go ahead and locate it up. It is right on this home interface, right beside wishlist. You can just go ahead and tap on it and then open up your wallet like this. So here it will show you option to add funds to your Steam wallet. So you can locate up the option called your Steam account right under, where it will show you a current balance and an option of redeeming a Steam card or wallet code. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it here, it will give you an option where you can enter your Steam wallet code to add funds to a Steam wallet. So right in this section, you can just go ahead and type in the code. After that, continue. And once that is done, it will automatically be converted if redeemable in your region. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.